So now we have seen how to use styles to change the text appearance from the XML file. So many times in Android development, you're gonna need to change the text style or appearance to change at runtime dynamically. So in order to do that, you need to have a reference to the text view in XML from the Java code. So I have a main activity which extends activity, and this is our XML file with the text view. And what we are going to do is change this style or the appearance of this text view dynamically at runtime. So if we go to the code, we have an Android ID of TV1. To change or modify this text view, we need to refer to it from Java. So in order to do that, we need to create an instance of the text view class. Let's say TV, and in the onCreate method of an activity, when the activity is about to be created, this is when we're going to initialize the text view. Text view equal to, we need to use a method called findViewById, which takes an integer reference to a specific view r.id.textView1. Now when you finish the code, line of code, you're gonna have an error, and that's because the findViewById returns a view. So you need to typecast it to a text view. You can hit Ctrl 1 in Eclipse to do the casting, and we're done. So in order to change the text view appearance dynamically, we need to change it in the onCreate method. So I'm gonna say text view dot, the method you're going to be used is set text appearance, which takes a context and a integer resource ID. For the context, I'm gonna simply say this, which is main activity, and for the resource ID, I'm gonna say r dot style dot my style. So when the activity is about to be created, it is going to initialize the text view and then set the new text appearance for this context and from this resource. So let's run our program and see what's going on. Right click on it, run as Android application. Remember, we have a text appearance like this one, which is of my style 2, and we are changing it dynamically to my style. So let's go to the emulator and see what's happening. The activity is coming in the foreground. Zoom out, and as you can see here, it has dynamically been changed. So you might not have defined the Android style for the text view in the XML, and that looks very weird indeed, but when you change it dynamically, it's going to look fine. So you can save the project, run our application, and let's see if we can have that. Zoom out a little bit. Launching the application. So when the activity is about to be created, it is going to call the onCreate method and set the text appearance. And as you can see, it was when about to be created, the onCreate method was called and the text appearance is changed dynamically. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned and subscribe and comment must.